So in the forest today we're making bows, which we've stripped the bark off, and then we'll be bending it and using a shoestring to tie.
My favorite color.
Yeah, I love blue and I love all colours.
Me too. But
It's hard to choose a favourite colour, isn't
brown
it?
and black and you hold it like this. It's tight.
Fabulous.
Like the left calf.
Beautiful bow. Like that and then let it go. So ping. Yes! That's beautiful. Let go. Oh, you have to let this go. So ping it, let go, ping. Oh, let's try again. And then let go. Oh, did you see how far that went? Oh my goodness.